Hello dear student. So today probability lecture 4. So today topic is probability distribution table. So for this probability distribution table, it has need two conditions are there. The probability of an event P of x value is more than 0 and less than or equal to 1. The meaning is that the probability of every event must be a positive and that value is less than 1. And summation of all these events is equal to 1. Summation of all these events is equal to 1. These 2 points are very important. So we'll take some examples on this model and we'll discuss. The point is, first of all, check question. Suppose he given x and p of x. The x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the values and he given here 0 value is A, next one is the 3A, 5A, 7A, next one is the 9A, 11A, 13A, 15A and 17A. So he is asking then the value of A is, then value of A. This is the question. Student, this is a probability distribution table. X value and P of x value is given. He is asking the value of A. So just now I said, what is that one? Summation of P of x value is must and should equal to 1. Summation of P of x means this is the P of x. Summation means add all these terms. That value compulsory equal to 1. So, how sir? See, we can do the addition. Here 3 plus 17 is the 20. 5 plus 15 is the 20. 9 plus 11 is the 20. 7 plus 13 also 20. Here how many 20s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means up to here 80. 80 and this one is the 1a. So 80 plus 1a is the 81a equal to 1. Then what is the a value? A value is 1 by 8. That's mentioned. So we have to add that here 9, 11 plus 9, 20 plus 20, 40, 20, 60, 80 plus a, 80 plus a, 81a is equal to summation of all these events equal to 1. So this is called the probability distribution table points. Now we'll take another example on this model. P value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only, but the P of x values are changed here. The P of x values are 0 means 0, P, 2P, next one is again 2P, next 3P, next one is the P square, next one is the 2P square, next one is the 7P square and last one is the P. Then he is asking find the value of P. Here he is asking value of P. Then how to find the value of P? Same story. The summation of P of x is compulsory equal to 1. If you will add here, this is the 7P square children. So 7, 2 plus 7 is the 9, 9 plus 1 is the 10. So we can write this is the 10P square, 10P square. Next one P values are P, 4P, 6P, 8P, 9P plus 9P. Plus 0 no need to write is equal to 1. So bring this plus 1 this side, then the answer is 10p square plus 9p minus 1 equal to 0. If you have to do factorization, if you multiply 10 ones are 10, if you multiply product equal to 10 and if you subtract the answer equal to 9. So we know it 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, then 10 minus 1 is the 9. So here you put the plus symbol, here you put the minus symbol because 10 minus 1 is the 9. So if you can do the factorization here, then what is the answer? The factorization is 10p square, this 9p we can write as a 10p minus p minus 1 equal to 0. Here and here we can take common, 10p we can take common. Out of 10p square, 10p common, still 1p is there. Here 10p common means 1 is there. Here and here take minus 1 common, then p plus 1 equal to 0. So 1 is the p plus 1, another one is the 10p minus 1 is equal to 0. Then my dear children, p plus 1 equal to 0, otherwise 10p minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the p value? P equal to minus 1 or 10p equal to minus 1 send that side plus 1. Then p equal to 1 by 10. So student, now we got the p two values. What are the two values? So one is the minus 1, another one is the 1 by 10. Then which value we have to take? Already starting of this class I said that one. What is that one? All the p of x values need positive, not the negative. Because the condition, what is the condition? 0 is greater than p of x. This one is the important. So p of x values always need positive. But here what is the value? Negative. So we can't take a p value as a minus 1. Then what is the p value? The p value is 1 by 10. So in this manner we do these sums. This is called the probability distribution test. Then this is the model finish, and now we will go to the another one. Next one more question is there on this probability distribution. Another question is x. Next one is the p of x. The x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Next one is the 2. Next one is the 3. So here the values are 1 by 10. Next one is the k. Next one is the 1 by 5. Next one is the 2k. Mainly this is the 3 by 10. And last one is the k. He is asking then the value of k. Children, we know it's summation of p of x equal to 1. So summation of p of x equal to 1 means we have to add. Here k is there, 2k is there, k is there. 2k plus k, 3k plus k is the 4k. We have to add the numbers. What are the numbers? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10 must be equal to 1. So here the LCM is 4k plus, what is the LCM? 10 is the LCM. 10 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10, again 10 one time and 3 equal to 1. So that means we can write 4k plus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1 is the 6 by 10 equal to 1. If it is possible, cancel with the table. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are plus 3 by 5 is sentence. Then what is the answer? The answer is 4k equal to 1 minus. Plus 3 by 5, if you send that side, it is converted as minus 3 by 5. LCM is 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. So 4k equal to 2k, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the k value, children? K equal to 1 by 10. Because you 2 to 2, you send that side, it is converted as 1 by 10. So what is the k value? 1. Because 2 send that side, 2 5s are 10. In this manner we will find out. So this is the probability distribution test. Now we will go to the another one, another method we will go, that is the mean and variance. So this probability distribution topic finished. Now I am going to discuss another concept. This concept name is the mean and variance. First of all, we will discuss about the mean. Mean is indicated, is represented by the letter M. Mean over R. For this one, another name also is there. It is the expectation. So mean or expectation. Expectation is denoted by E of x. So mean means the M, expectation means E of x. Both also same. So mean or expectation, the formula is there. What is the formula? Summation of x into P of x. This is the formula. Another formula also is there. One more formula. That is the NP. So I will explain when we have to use this this formula when we have to use this formula. Children, this is the formula we will use when he given the distribution table. If he given distribution table, we will use this one. Otherwise, we have to use this one. Next one is the variance. So, variance is indicated like this. This is called the sigma square. What is the formula? Variance formula is summation of p into x of x minus summation of x of x into p of x. So, here x square, here put the square here. This is called the variance formula. So, my dear children, one more time I am going to write this formula. The formula is summation of x into p of x minus summation of x into p of x. Here we will put the square for x, here we will put the whole square. When we will use this formula, if a given frequency, a probability distribution table given this formula. Otherwise, another formula is there. That formula is NPQ. Afterwards, next one is the standard deviation. So, standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? Standard deviation means it is indicated by a letter just sigma. Standard deviation is nothing but the formula is square root of variance. So, square root of variance is called the standard deviation. So, we will do on this model, now on this 3 using the formula, I will explain you, I will explain you the sums. So, mean or expectation same and next one is variance and standard deviation. These are the formulas. Okay, children. Now, we will do on this model the sums now. Now the question is, here he given x p of x value is given. Here the question is x and p of x is given. The x values are 30, 10, minus 10 and p of x values are 1 by 5, 3 by 10 and another value is 1 by 2. He is asking find e of x. This is the question. E of x means expectation of x. So find this expectation of x. We have to form one more column, that is the x into p of x. One more column. So x into p of x means nothing but these two multiplication. 30 into 1 by 5. What is the answer? 6. 30 into 1 by 5 is nothing but 6. Next one is here. Here this is the 3 by 10. This is the 3 by 10. So 10 into 3 by 10 is 3. Here this is the answer minus 5. So children, x into p of x is over. Now I am doing summation of x into p of x. So summation of x into p of x means 6 minus 5 is the 1, 1 plus 3 is the 4. So what is the mean? Sorry, he asked mean or expectation. Both are same. Expectation of x formula, summation of x into p of x. It is nothing but what is the answer? Answer 4. In this manner we will find out. So x to p of x is given, then we have to write x into p of x multiplication. 30 into 1 by 5, 5 6 times cancel, 10 into 3 by 10, 10 cancel 3, here also times. In this manner we will find out the expectation. Now we will go to the another question on this model. The another question is, he given x value and p of x. First we will do the frequency, this distribution table we will do. The next question is, he given 2, 3, 4 and the values are 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. So he is asking find variance. He is asking variance. So for finding the variance, first we have to find x into p of x. First we have to do x into p of x. So 2 into 0.3 is nothing but 0.6, 3 into 0.4, 1 by 2 and this is also 1.2. Next variance, then we have to find one more column, that is the x square column. X square means pair of this column. So 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square is the 16. Next one is x square into p of x. X square means here, p of x means here. We have to multiply these two. 4 3s are 12, 1.2. 9 4s are 36, 3.6. 16 3s are 48, 4. So we'll do here this one addition. This is called summation of x into p of x. What is the summation of x into p of x? If we will add 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10. So what is the answer? This is the answer is 3. And this value is summation of x square into p of x. So this value is 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 1 is the 9. So the answer is 9.6. Now I am going to find out the variance. So what is the variance formula? The variance formula is summation of x into p of x minus summation of x into p of x. Here square for x, here we will write whole square. So this is the value we know it is nothing but 9.6 minus. Here this is the value is nothing but 3 which is having whole square. So 9.6 minus 9, what is the answer children? 0.6 is the answer. In this manner we will find out the variance. I hope people are understood. So these are the columns we have to substitute. Student, once again I am repeating, these are the problems you didn't have for the theory exam. This time theory syllabus deleted. This topic is not in the theory. But JEE means compulsory this topic is included. So this one is there. So be careful. And next one is yes, good question. This one is the next question. The question is given like this: x equal to 3 with the probability. With the probability 1 by 3. Next 4 with the probability 1 by 4. And 5, not 5, sorry, 12 with the probability. What is the probability? 5 by 12. Then E of x is asking this one. Then E of x is, E of x means expectation of x. It is nothing but mean of x. How to do this one? Same story. First write down x followed by p of x. One more column is x into p of x because of expectation. So we know if the x values here is given 3, 4, 12. So the values are 3, 4, 12. Then p of x values are given. What is that value? 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 5 by 12. So because of that 3 with the probability means 3 p of x, 4 p of x, 12 p of x values. Now we do this one. 3 into 1 by 3 means 1, 4 into 1 by 4 is 1, 5 into 1 by 12 is this one. So we need this expectation means summation of x into p of x. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7. So what is the expectation of this value? The expectation of this value is 7. In this manner, we will find out the values. So, next one is, we'll see any questions are there on this model. Yes. The next question is, x is given and p of x is given. So what is the x values? X values are 1, 2, 3, 4. And p of x values are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. He is asking find the mean and standard deviation. The question is mean and standard deviation. This is the question he is asking. So mean and standard deviation. So first of all we have to find x into p of x. This is the problem, very important. So x into p of x means 1.0, 0.22 are 0.4, 33 are 0.9, 44 are 1.6. Next one we have to write is the x square. X square means here 1 square is the 1, 2 square is the 4, 3 square is the 9, 4 square is the 16. Next one is x square into p of x. So x square means here p of x is here 1 into 0.1, 0.1, 4 into 0.2 is the 0.8, 9 3s are 27, so 2.7, 16 4s are 64. 64 means 6.4. So we have to add these values. So it is the summation of x into p of x. So what is the summation of x into p of x? 9 plus 1 10, 10 14, 14 20. So 2 plus 1 is the 3. So the answer is 3.0. So this is 1 plus 2 is the 3.0. And this is the summation of x square into p of x. So summation of x square into p of x is nothing but 8 plus 1 is the 9, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7 is the 16, 16 plus 4 is the 20, 2, 4 plus 2, 8, 10. So this is one is the this value. Now what we have to do, first he is asking mean. So what is the mean formula, children? Mean means formula summation of x into p of x. The answer is 3. Next one is the standard deviation. Standard deviation formula square root of variance. But namku variance gottilla. So first we have to find the variance. First find the variance. So what is the variance formula? Summation of x into p of x minus summation of x into p of x. Here square, here whole square. So summation of x square into p of x value is 10. Minus summation of x into p of x is the 3 which is having whole square. So 10 minus 3 square means value 1. So variance equal to 1. If variance is 1, I want standard deviation. Standard deviation is square root of variance. It is nothing but square root of 1. Square root of 1 means 1. So children, finally what is the answer? Mean equal to the final answer. Mean equal to 3 and standard deviation equal to 1. So this is the. In this way, we will find out. And next one is the another question is there on this model. So these are very easy, children. But you didn't have this topic in the theory. Compared to JEE Mains, this topic is there. The next question is. Here he given x and p of x. The x values are he given 0. Next one is the 1, 2, 3. And p of x values are 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 6. Now he is asking find the mean and variance. He is asking like this the question. Find m and this one. He is asking this one. What is the meaning of this one? M means mean, and this is the sign starting only I said. This is a sign is called the variance. He is asking variance and mean. So to find that one, first of all we have to do x into p of x. So 0 into 1 by 3 0, 1 into 1 by 2 1 by 2, 2 into 0 0, 3 into 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2. So we do the summation of x into p of x. So x into p of x 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1. This is the value is 1. So mean got it. Now for the variance we have to find x square. X square means this one square, 0 square is the 1, 1 square is the 1, 2 square is the 4, 3 square is the 9. Next one is asking x square into p of x square. So x square means here, p of x means here. I am going to multiply 0 into 1 by 3 0, 1 into 1 by 2 1 by 2, 4 into 0 0, 9 into 1 by 6. So 3 table 3 3s are 3 2s are means what is the answer? 3. So summation of x square into p of x square. So x square into p of x means 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 means 2. This is the value equal to 2. Now my dear children, first of all he asked to find mean. So what is the mean formula? Mean is equal to summation of x into p of x. What is the mean formula? 1. Next one he asked variance, means this symbol he asked. This symbol is nothing but variance. Variance equal to what is the formula? Summation of x square into p of x into summation of x into p of x, which is having poles. So this is the answer 2 minus this is the answer 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So what is the answer? Answer 1. 1 is the answer. So in this manner we will find out and we will go to the last and final question. Last and final question now. We have to practice all these questions. So here the question is x is given, next one is the p of x is given. P of x is given. The x values are starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And p of x value is 0 0.4, 0 0.3. Next one is the 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.1. This the question is asking find the variance. Is asking find the variance. So how to find this one? We have to find x into p of x value. So x into p of x value is nothing but 0 into any number 0. 1 into 0 0.3, 0 0.3, 2 into 0 0.1 is 0 0.2, 3 into this one is the 0 0.3 and this one is the 0 0.4. So summation of x into p of x equal to. So summation of x into p of x means we have to add 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. This is the answer 1.2. Again we have to do the x square also. So x square means 0 square is the 0, 1 square is the 1, 2 square is the 4, 3 square is the 9, 4 square is the 16. So x square into p of x we have to do. So x square is here, p of x is here. If you multiply with the 0 into any term 0, 1 into 0 0.3 is the 0 0.3, 1 into 0 0.1 into 4 is the 0 0.4. 0 0.1 into 9 is nothing but 0 0.9. 16 into this one is the 16, means the answer 1.6. Then we will find out summation of x square into p of x. So x square into p of x means 3 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. 2 plus 1 is the 3. Means this is the value 3.2. So my dear children, he is asking find the variance. So variance means formula summation of x into p of x minus summation of x into p of x. Here square, here whole square we have to put. So this is the value we know it. This is the value 3.2 minus this the value is 1.2 which is having whole square. So we can write 3.2. 1.2 whole square means 144 means 1.44. If we subtract it, then the answer is 3.20. This is 1.44. If you subtract it 6, here 11 is there. 11 minus 4 is the 9. Here. So what is the answer? The answer is 1.96 is the answer. So children, that is the 1.96 or 76 is the answer. So one more time, sorry, this is the 7, this one is the 7, because of 10 minus 4, 6, here 11 minus 4 is the 7. So what is the answer? 1.6. So this is the method. In this manner, these are the distribution table, probability distribution table. Today we discussed how to find the mean, variance, standard. We will continue the remaining problems. So thank you.